Hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here. So today I have another charging accessory here from the company Raycon. This is the Magic Charging Station Pro. Currently right now on their website it's $48. Looks like there's running some sort of back to school promotion, so you might be able to get a little bit cheaper. But I think that's actually after the discount. I could be wrong. So just like I said, just check it. This is a slim travel charger, guys, that you're going to be able to wirelessly charge what you see here in the video right now. So you can do your Apple Watch, which by the way, it's only the Apple Watch. You can't do like a Galaxy, unfortunately. You can charge wireless earbuds. So I have the OnePlus ones here, but my AirPods are in my car. I'm too lazy to go out and go get them. And then obviously an iPhone that has MagSafe capabilities. So let's get this bad boy out. So a true unboxing today. So let's go ahead and cut that open there. Do the same here. Voila. And pop this up and slide it out. So this is how it comes packaged inside. We do get a little pamphlet here, which, I mean, it's pretty dang self-explanatory here. Now, one thing that you do want to do is make sure you're using a proper charging cable when it comes to using these types of accessories. I know firsthand that there's been plenty of times where I've used a USB-C to USB-C, or maybe even the wrong type of cable, and it just never properly worked. Main reason sometimes is it does need to have that USB-A to Type-C. It would have been nice to see Type-C to Type-C, but also it really just depends on what charging brick you're plugging it in and all that good stuff there. And here it is. So let's get this out of the way. Let's get this out of the way and talk about this here. So guys, I gotta say, just first impressions, just right out of the bat, it looks damn good. Like, it looks premium. I like the dark, bold black with like the silver white lightning bolt in the middle. I like the Raycon branding there. It's kind of like a hint of gray and gunmetal and kind of green and silvers. Really not sure exactly what the color is. I love that it has little feet on the bottom to help with sliding. Like, I mean, that's gripping good. So it's not going to slide anywhere on you. And then if we open it up, it's got a lot of force. So like that right there, guys, is very important to me. Like, I'm really putting some force into it. And as you can see there, it's just almost like kind of ding, 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 ding. So it can definitely angle in different angles, but it won't fall. So that is something that is really nice. But it holds up very strong. Now this is 15 watts right here, just FYI. And then we do have, like I said, the Apple Watch charger. And then we do have our little pad there for the earbuds. So we got those there. And one thing to point out is the max is 15 watts for this. The max is 2.5 watts for the Apple Watch. So that's going to be pretty slow, but is what it is. And 3.5 watts for the AirBuds or AirPods or whatever you're going to end up charging it with. Now, they do have a smart chip built into this, so it's not going to allow your phone to overheat or overpower the device. So it does have some smart technology built into it. But let's go ahead and, well, I need to plug it in first. So let's start with that. So I already happen to have a charger plugged in by my desk. So little LED indicator right there letting us know that it is charged up. So let's start with the earbuds. And I don't know if you can see, but lit up. So those are charging. We'll do the Apple Watch. And that is charging, as you can see there. And then we'll do, last but not least, the iPhone. And it's charging, as you can see there. And that's it, guys. So if I hold it up like this, you'll be able to tell that that's kind of the look there. Now, unfortunately, the portion here does not have magnets, so it's just going to slide right off, because I know with a lot of my other chargers that I have, Even with these will magnetically clamp on, or my AirPods will, but this does not on here. So not a deal breaker, but just something to point out there. But I can tell right off the bat, and I'll just take these out of the way for a second, the strength of the magnet on this charger is pretty dang good. Like, it immediately just clamps on and finds it and does a really good job with that kind of magnet strength. I mean, I could literally pick the phone up and hold it like that and it's gonna do just fine. So yeah, I do like that. And if I wanted, I could totally do the docking kind of mode there. If, you know, have it tilted up and then the screen turns off, then it's going to go into that kind of screensaver mode, as you can see there. So that is something that you can use on the side of your, you know, bed, on your nightstand, something like that. So yeah, guys, I mean, for the money, it's pretty nice. I mean, the feet are super grippy. You have plenty of space to be able to charge your Apple Watch and some AirPods or other wireless charging earbuds, and then your phone at the same time, and it just looks clean. I just really think it looks very nice. And then when you just want to just say only charge your AirPods and your phone, then you could totally do that and just close that back down. If I had a different type of watch band on, I could totally just lay the Apple Watch across instead of having to pull this up. And just to point out, it does go at different angles. It doesn't feel as strong as a hinge as the actual charger itself, but just out of curiosity, I'm curious if it'll hold. So I can angle it different angles if I wanted to, which I actually kind of like that, because I can tuck my band in there now and it's not just kind of hitting this. And I don't know, I kind of like that better, actually. I think it does a little bit better, cleaner look, in my opinion. So if I show you kind of at this angle here, if I have it tucked back like that, then I can kind of, like I said, push my band under that a little bit. So, you know, little things you can do if, you know, if you want to do stuff like that. So something to think about. But yeah, there we have it, guys. There is the Magic Charging Station Pro. So if you are someone looking for a charging station, I think Raycon really does have you taken care of, guys. I mean, just the strength of just the hinge alone is something to kind of play around with. But like I said, it's very compact. You just throw it in your bag. You can put it in your, you know, laptop bag or MacBook Pro bag or whatever, camera bag, whatever, and it will go with you. And also, I didn't point this out, but this is a very matted finish portion here. So it feels really good as well. So really, guys, just a lot of thumbs up. Really can't see a major complaint with this. And I do love the touch and feel. If this was like white or like a silver, more silver color, it would totally look like something that Apple would probably make. So hit the like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. I'll see you on the next one.